Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set home screen mode on standard mode. Okay, so friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first here you have to move on setting. After you have been move on setting, just click on the search bar and search for the standard mode. Okay, here is the standard mode. Just click on standard mode. When you click on standard mode, here you are going to find the three options. So you want to set this standard mode, you can set this standard mode. And if you want to set the drawer mode, just click on drawer mode. And if you want to set on simple mode, you can set on simple mode. If you don't understand, you can see on this screen. Okay, here it has shown. Okay, on this picture. Okay, here on the upside. Okay, standard mode is the like this, and drawer mode is the like this. Okay, this is the drawer mode. Okay, so friends, which one you love it, just click on that option and click on in use. When you click on in use, here it has been like that. Okay, so now let's see again on standard mode. Okay, let's check again. Okay, so I click on standard mode, then just click on the simple mode how it is and try on it. So friends, which one is the best, you just select and click on in use. After that you can give me a comment. Okay, on comment box. Okay, which one you love it. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And friends, thanks for watching.